Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Mitsubishi Space Star 1.9 liters DID. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine bay area. It's located just behind this air filter box. It's located right there. That's the fuel filter cap. In order to get access to it, first we need to remove this air filter. The air filter is held by a couple of clips that we need to remove. We also need to remove this metal clamp and electrical connector for the MAF sensor, and we'll take out the air filter cover. Now that the air filter has been removed, we have access to the fuel filter. The fuel filter is held by one bolt that we need to remove. We also need to disconnect this electrical connector on the front, and that's the bolt right there that we need to remove. We can see here on the left there is a pump which is going to be used to prime the system after we replace the fuel filter. So now we'll start by removing the electrical connector and also removing the bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the bolt removed. Now we're going to lift up the fuel filter cap and remove the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter right there. Now we're going to take out the fuel filter and replace it with a new one. Here I'll show you the part number of the fuel filter. There is also an O-ring in there that we need to remove and replace. That's the O-ring right there. And next we're going to put on the new fuel filter. That's the new fuel filter. We'll put it back on exactly the same way, and we're going to put the fuel filter cap back on afterwards and tighten the bolts and connect the electrical connector. There's also an O-ring on the bolt that we need to replace. We're going to replace that and then put on the bolt and tighten it. Now that everything has been put back in its place, now next we need to prime the fuel system. We need to press the pump for about a minute and a half until we feel the system has been filled up with fuel and primed. By pressing the pump, you feel when the system has been primed, and then we can go into the car and start the car. And that's the car started. Now I'm going to press the accelerator for a little bit, just in case, and then we're done with replacing the fuel filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.